Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so if you are an Android user, of course you are familiar with how to turn on hotspot. But this time I will give you guys two tutorial for turning on a hotspot. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, first you can swipe down to go to control center and then you can turn on the hotspot. Okay, the second tutorial, now you can go to settings menu. And then now you can go to connection menu. And then after that, now you can go to mobile hotspot and tethering. And after that, now you can turn on the mobile hotspot. Alright, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn on hotspot, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.